Hi, my name is Simone and I am a meditation teacher and mindset coach. And I'm very excited to be offering you this course with some of the greatest life skills in mindfulness and emotional intelligence, which is often described as the key to personal and professional success. Each session is designed to help you navigate life's challenges, especially when it comes to uncertainty and change. For me, I see these skills as an emotional superpower. I also love how Dan Harris puts it. It is the ability to not be yanked around by your emotions. Because no matter how hard we try, we can't avoid change happening in the world. It's happening all the time. In this brief introduction, I'm going to show you what to expect from this course, how to get the most out of it, and how to integrate your workbook. My background is I've personally been practicing and studying mindfulness and meditation for the past 14 years. And I've been working with clients in the entertainment industry and corporate world for the past 4 years. Having 20 years experience previously in TV production myself, I know exactly what it feels like to work in a busy, competitive industry. I remember I was always juggling plates, working against tight deadlines, and I worked with some very interesting and difficult characters. As a freelancer, I never quite knew where my next job or paycheck was coming from. So as you can imagine, I was often feeling quite stressed. I thought this was normal, but looking back now, I can see I was in a constant state of low anxiety. And what I used to cope was things like sugar, food, coffee, distractions. I had trouble sleeping and I didn't realize why. And when I discovered there were some simple tools to help both my mind and my body to thrive, to feel healthier and sleep better, it did sound too good to be true. And when it came to meditation, I thought the idea of sitting down for 5 minutes seemed ludicrous when I had so much to do and my mind was too busy. Thankfully, I learned the right and wrong way to meditate, to be mindful. I learned that I could navigate my emotions, I could manage my thoughts, so I didn't have to feel so overwhelmed. And I had the power to choose how I wanted to feel and respond to events happening in the world around me. So I put together all of these simple and effective tools to help you manage even the toughest work experience, life experiences, to help you navigate it with strength and ease. Each session lasts around 20 minutes and you'll learn a new practice and experience a calming, guided meditation. To get the full benefits of this course, use the workbook, try the exercises, and don't worry, they are designed to fit in even the busiest of lifestyles, the busiest of weeks, and the busiest of minds. All I ask is that you bring a curious mind. This is the best way to learn, to have that open, investigative mind. So grab your workbook and I will see you in lesson 1.